Hi, in this video, I'll show you how you can get the color palette from a photo in Canva. I have these two photos and I really want to get the colors that is used in this particular photo. Of course, there could be millions of different colors on each photo, but usually we all need some prominent colors from that object. Let's say I want to get this nice blue color. So how do I get that? Well, fortunately, Canva is already do that for you. There are two methods where you can get the color palette in Canva. The first method is by using the style option. Let's go to design, go to styles, and you have to scroll down to the very bottom and you will see that this is the image palette that Canva has created for us. And you can see these are a list of colors that Canva detected and may be appropriate for this image. But this is not exactly useful since you cannot really copy the color code. This is pretty much used to change the color design of your document. So you can only click shuffle to get different colors based on the photo, which is maybe useful in some cases, but sometimes you really just want to get the color code of this picture. So with that being said, let's move on to the next method, which allows you to get the color code. What you need to do now is you have to go to elements and insert any shape, or if you already have a shape or any object that can be colored, including a background that you can access, like this one. I can click on this and I can click background color, and on the photo colors you will see these colors, and of course there's going to be a color code that you can copy. If I want to get this nice blue color, I can click on it and it will be copied to my clipboard. So I hope these two methods helps you, and in any case, I hope you find this video helpful.